Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and let's get right into it. So without a doubt, all eyes are on NVDA Corporation today as earnings just came out, and as you can see, the stock has reacted for the most part pretty well to the earnings report. The company beat on earnings and is announcing a 10-for-1 stock split, which usually the stock split doesn't really mean anything in and of itself, but it does act as a positive catalyst for stocks oftentimes. So for me personally, if you're not already in it, I wouldn't chase it right this moment. I would wait. I would try to get a pullback. Any kind of sort of pullback, as you can see before, it's shown strength coming up, and then we get a pretty savage pullback. But the overall trend over the last few years has been up, just all the way up. So you can try to look to nibble a little bit here. Maybe tomorrow, if it breaks $1,000 per share, you could use that as a baseline and try to see if you can get any profit possible after that. But in terms of a long-term investment, I would really, really want to wait, hold on, and see if we can get a nice pullback before you invest long-term in this stock. But yeah, I mean, really exciting stuff. Beat earnings is basically the groundwork for all of AI technology, in my opinion. They're just leading the way in everything related to AI technology and really benefiting from those, like the wind behind the AI sales. And speaking of momentum and all new highs, let's check out SPY. Yeah, really just battling here. Battling to try to break through 531 and 56 cents. We got a rejection today. It didn't really come up to it, to 531.55 is like my alert that I have on there, but it really just got up to 20 cents, 15 cents below that, and then as you can see, it just took a giant shit, if I'm being completely honest with you. Traded sideways for the first 4 hours of the day, and then just a complete capitulation. In my opinion, does it really mean anything? I don't know. I don't think so. As you can see in the past 2 days, it's sold off, gotten back up, sold off again, gotten back up, sold off again. So it really is battling here. You can tell people are taking profits, but the dip is also getting bought up. So if you're really positioned well already, I would recommend that you hold. If you are looking to get in, buy the dip. It's still a buy the dip market. And we have the QQQ, which I like because it basically represents all of technology in general. And the QQQ keeps putting in a higher high every day, a higher low every single day. So technology is really bullish at this moment in time. And I think that bodes well for the stock market overall. Speaking of technology, one of my favorite technology stocks, if I could get it right, Tesla, had a banging day yesterday. Absolutely massive run after the support at 175 got bought up, and it just ripped all day yesterday. And today we saw a rejection at this double top right off the open. Just got sold off all day. On the daily, it looks like it's resting. So I would definitely keep Tesla on watch if I were you. I think that we can get some more upside. Technology is strong. You have all-time highs being tested as we speak. NVIDIA with amazing earnings. So any little push, any little strength, and I absolutely think Tesla will benefit from that strength. Now let's go over to Bitcoin real quick, because there are a lot of stocks such as Coinbase, Mara, that benefit from Bitcoin being strong. And it's a similar story, like we got just with stocks and now with Bitcoin, we got a sell-off from all-time highs, stocks recovered faster and better than Bitcoin, but it's still kind of seeing if it still wants to recover or continue to recover and challenge these all-time highs. Me personally, it's tough to say. Bitcoin really surprises me often, if I'm being completely honest with you, so it wouldn't surprise me whatsoever if it just ripped up. The test for me, in my opinion, would be this 72,500 price point. If it can get up there and hold that, I think we can get some more upside. Let me just make an alert real quick before I forget. What else? So I guess depending on the day, Apple and Microsoft are now going at it for most valuable company in the exchange. But right now I'm going to focus on Apple. NVDA completely ripped, so it's not really an exact apples to apples comparison, but pun intended, with Apple, you saw it gapped up heavy overnight off of that earnings beat, with beating revenue and being more competitive in China and all that stuff. And then it sold off, spent a couple of days selling off, even though it had really great earnings. And this is really why I want to point this out, because I'm going to show you a couple of examples of recently this quarter, big name stocks, Apple, Boeing, Netflix, Google, and even Tesla, that gapped up, got sold off, and have now been uptrending for several days. So that's the Apple example. Let me show you another really clear one, the one that's like clear as day. Well, this was a gap down off of earnings with Netflix, and it chopped around, established its footing at roughly $5.45 per share, and then just ripped and kept ripping. Another example, Boeing had stellar earnings despite all of the problems that it has, gapped up compared to the previous day and then sold off, but recovered and made more gains after that recovery. So my personal plan, and as we go back to NVDA, if I can get the symbol right, there we go. If we go back to NVIDIA, it's most likely at this point going to end up being a gap up, right? It's going to open up tomorrow a lot higher than what it closed today. So it'll be a gap up. Maybe it sells off. Maybe it keeps going. As day traders, we don't impose our will on the market. We have to be open and flexible to whatever the stock market is actually doing. But if it does gap up and then sell off, don't give up on the play. Wait patiently for a dip buy opportunity and pounce. As I just showed you with Apple and Netflix, there is a good probability that it'll recover and possibly even make new highs. And so, yeah, with that in mind, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wait, did I show you? So this is my first video that I've ever made on YouTube, so bear with me, guys. I will get better, and girls. I will get better as time goes on with these videos, but I really just wanted to make this video real quick and get it out, see if I could help. Hopefully this helps, just pointing out the market and the way that I see it. Again, another example of Google just having absolutely spectacular earnings, gapped up, sold off. A beautiful rule of three right here. I love this rule of three. And then found a base at 163-ish, ripped, retested that 163-ish level, and then just ripped to new highs. So with that in mind, do your own research. always remember your risk management. And, if you aren't already in some of these plays, some of these stocks, wait patiently. You will get another opportunity to buy the dip, to get in at a good price and hold for a long-term gain, or, a medium to short-term trade for a nice, healthy profit. So if you guys enjoyed the content, check out the links below. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Thank you so much. Bye.